Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
This guide shows a safe, stepwise process to remove CFW from your switch. Start by confirming your current firmware and CFW type before any changes. Identify whether you used Atmosphere, Ray NX, or Hecate on the console. You will learn how to back up data, clean the SD card, and restore stock firmware with clear actions. Follow each step carefully to avoid bricking or losing important saves. Prepare a PC with 10 GB free and a reliable USB cable for file transfers. Backup Nintendo folder, user saves, and pridinfo before making changes. Use a PC to copy the entire SD content to a backup folder labeled Switch Backup. Confirm the save data and pridinfo files exist in the backup directory. Format the SD card to FAT32 or XFAT after copying backups to PC to ensure a clean slate. Remove CFW files like boot, DAT, Atmosphere folder, and payloads folder from the SD card. Keep the backup on 2 storage devices for redundancy. Use official Nintendo recovery and stock files to restore system software. Download the latest official Nintendo firmware package from legitimate sources and extract to the PC. Follow console recovery steps to reinstall stock bootloaders when available through Nintendo Error and recovery modes. Apply a full system update from settings using a reliable internet connection to ensure official signatures. Reinsert formatted SD, power on, and verify serial-specific eFuses are unchanged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.